Yo, what's going on, guys? Another video quickly on my 3D printed project I mentioned in my last video. So this is the Squid Games Leader helmet I printed. I'm just going to take him off the build plates and we'll pop him on the worktop. Right, here we go. We got him off the printer. Snap him off there and have a look. I went a bit OTT with the supports, as you can see. I had custom supports all around the base. So all up here, custom supports up there. But I also added some just going up the back to the eyes and just to the bridge nose. You just kept falling over. It was top heavy. This is the fourth attempt. It took me 4 attempts to print. And so yeah, you can see with all the supports there. So they've just fallen off the mask. They didn't stick to it at all. We've got supports in the eyes as well, so let's just pop them out. I'll put the print settings on the screen. I got a time lapse of this printing, so I'll put that on the screen along with the settings. The insides, you've obviously got your blobs from printing. Probably printed a bit too. A little bit too hot, but I mean it's not the inside that really matters too much. We've got a seam there, a couple of seams. But to be honest, I mean that's turned out, amazing. To be fair, I used Simplified 3D to slice it, and I just used the default settings to print it. Nothing else. 0.4mm. Nozzle and whatever else I use. Like I said, I'll put the print settings on the screen. But yeah, I was gonna do a video of post processing this. I sanded it, and there's a couple little nicks there and there, but looking through the camera, you can't really see them. You got the two there, go in the eyes, but that's about it. I think I'll rivet a strap onto it. I haven't got a strap at the moment. What I can use it. Tell you what I can use. I'll use what I did for the other Squid Games helmet I did. Right. So yeah, for the Squid Games one I did with the penis on it. I just used an elastic band as a temporary measure. I did reprint this. I don't know if you've seen the short or what. Where my friend wanted one printed and he didn't see what symbol he wanted this, so I just spray painted a penis on it. But yeah, I did reprint him another one, and that's why this just got elastic band. They did have a strap riveted on it. So let's, for now, just put an elastic band through it. It's absolutely bolted in it. I've got a new one, so yeah, we'll just use the Let's pin the lid. It might be. Should be fine. Just pop a knot in it. Sausage fingers. Come on. I'm going to pop one on this side. Don't know if you can see my subscriber count is still going there. When I made that video, I think I was at, what, 700? And I made that late last year, I believe it was. So, yeah, thank you very much again, guys. All those people, all you guys who are subscribing. Like I said, you can control that yourself. All you got to do is press the big red button below the video. It says subscribe, and it changes. Right, so just 3D printed the eyes. It took what, like 2 minutes. Oh, they're so thin. I thought they'd be a little bit thicker. I'd have to heat them up with a heat gun. But yeah, I'm just gonna hot glue gun these in there. I know from the front. Hey, look like that. So let me just grab the hot glue gun and we'll pop them in. That's true. Try to do it so you don't get any on the inside. The outside, should say. Pop him in there. You can't see any glue there. Perfect. And same with the second eye. Don't even see my breath there. It is so cold here. before you do it. There you go, pop it in place. That looks a bit silly from that side, but from our side, oh, got some hot glue on there. That side look absolutely perfect. Right. Right, so we're going to go for a quick test fit now. Just got the elastic band in. Pop it on. This is going to be absolutely freezing though. Right, it is. I mean, this fits absolutely perfect. The only thing is with the eyes on the inside, they're not, because they're square, they're kind of hitting my eyelids and it's a bit uncomfortable. But apart from that, it's an absolute perfect fit. I think I'll just cut them down a bit. You literally see my breath. It is so cold in here. Yeah, so guys, there we go. Just a quick one on the build of this. I think what I'll do, I think I'm going to give this mask away. Or I might print another one and give that one away because I've put this one on. So, yeah, because they just sit around the shop otherwise, or I just chuck them in the bin. I just can't stop looking at this, it's so good. So yeah, if you want to win this, if you want it, I don't know, or do just subscribe to the channel, put a comment whatever you want, I don't know. And what I'll do, I'll select just a random comment, and yeah, and I'll send it out to you. Free of charge, of course. Yeah, so if you want to ask, guys, subscribe, put a comment on it, and I'll pick a winner. I don't know, once I've hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick a winner there. So, what's that saying with this? 772, so not too far to go. So yeah, share the video, get your friends to subscribe and comment. Give yourself a bit of a better chance. Hope you liked the video, guys. Again, just subscribe anyway, even if you don't want to win the mask. If you're new here, comment, like, all that jazz. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Have a good one.